Hello everyone, this is Jahid Hassan. I am a student of Comilla University and today I am here in Shalban Bihar. It is one of the most historical place in our country. Every year hundreds of thousands people come here. As I am a student of Comilla University, I don't have pay any money to enter this place because our university has a deal with the authority. But there is a Bengali proverb that Barir Goru Hatar Gash Khaye na. So this is like that. We came here I think total 3 or 4 times. I can recall one memory, that is in first year. At the very beginning of my university life, at that time, I, with all of my batchmates, came here and enjoy a huge amount of time, and we are gossiping, we are doing different types of activities, like we are playing here. But after that, I did not came here very rapidly. Sometimes with my friends and sometimes with my messmates. But otherwise, I did not came here individually. I think you can understand that the area is huge, and if you come here at the afternoon, at that time I think you can find a mental peace, as this is a very natural place, and at the same time this is an historical place. So I think you will find it very beautiful. And another thing is you don't have to pay a lot of money, only you need 30 taka. So 30 taka is not a big deal. You can spend a quality time here in Shalban Bihar. So that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching.